pan on low flame. Add butter, small onion, green pepper, jalapeno, and garlic. Mix well and cook for 2 to 3 minutes on low flame. Add taco seasoning, cumin powder, red chili powder, and salt. Mix spices. Add all-purpose flour. Stir continuously and cook for about 1 to 2 minutes. Add warm milk. Stir continuously until the mixture turns smooth and has no lumps. Cook until it comes to a simmer. Add cheese slices. Mix well until cheese blends fully with the mixture. Vegetarian queso dip is ready. Garnish with veggies. Serve hot with chips. Smash the like button if you like this recipe video. For more recipes, subscribe Flavors Family.